Collateral services provider. So among various participants of integrated marketing communication process, this is one of the participant, just like advertiser, advertising agency, media organizations, marketing communication specialist organization. The collateral services provider are another type of participant in IMC process. Collateral services provider support the execution and production of marketing communication material or the content. They ensure that ideas are transferred into tangible output. So the responsibility of the collateral services provider is to transform ideas into tangible output, that is intangible to tangible output. These may include printing and production houses, audiovisual production units, graphic design studios, photography and videography services, web developers and technical services provider, logistic and distribution support. Now, printing and production houses includes brochures, posters, catalog, packaging materials, whereas audiovisual production unit includes development or the production of television commercials, digital advertisements, corporate films and short movies, short films. Graphic design studios includes development or creation of logos, creative and branding elements. Whereas photography and videography services includes product shoots, campaign visuals, etc. Web developer and technical service providers include websites development, website updating the websites, landing pages, and working on application interfaces. Logistics and distribution support includes delivery of the promotional material to the target locations or to at the client's place or desired locations. So these collateral services providers include printing and production houses, audio-visual production units, graphic design studios, photography and videography services, web developers and technical service providers, logistics and distribution supports. Typically, collateral services provider or a support organization includes marketing research firms, package design firms, consultants, photographers, printers, video production companies, event marketing companies, PR agencies, and event managers. After discussing about the various types of collateral service providers, let's talk about the need for marketing collaterals. The need may be in the form of like this connects your brand with the audience, represents your business, encourages work of mouth marketing, build thought leadership, help communicate value, communicate standard information, branding tool, it may act as a branding tool, support and offer support material for conversations, reference material for sales, and this enables campaign promotion. So these are the various reasons or the need for marketing collateral, requirement of the collateral services provider. Now, pros and cons of integrated services or the collateral services provider, like they ensure greater synergy, convenience, single image for product or services. If you talk about the cons, then budget politics may be an issue, poor communication may be a problem, and sometimes there might be no synergy also. Now, role of collateral services provider in integrated marketing communication process: convert creative ideas into real campaign material, ensure quality, consistency, and timely execution, support multi-channel communication delivery, enhance professionalism and brand image. So these are the important roles of collateral service providers. Discussing about the roles of collateral services provider in the integrated marketing communication process, let's talk about some key obstacles and key takeaways also. Now, key obstacles may include lack of people with broad perspective and the skills to make it work or workable, internal tough battles or the conflicts between different staffs, employees, agency ego may be a problem, fear of budget rejection, again this may also become an obstacle. Ensuring consistent execution of the task is very important for collateral service providers. Measuring success, again it is a key matrices to be noted. success is to be measured, it is very important, and the fair compensation of the skilled people involved in this process is again important. Now, if we talk about key takeaways, collateral service providers ensure flawless execution, together forming the backbone of effective marketing communication by ensuring that every campaign element is delivered on time with quality and aligned with brand strategy. So, delivering the campaign element on time with quality and aligned with the brand strategy or IMC process is very important. After discussing about the role of collateral service providers in integrated marketing communication process as a participant, let's have a quiz to understand your knowledge about the topic. Now, marketing executive says the biggest obstacle to implementing IMC is option A, lack of management support, option B, insufficient budgets, option C, lack of people with right perspective and skills, option D, inexperience ad agency. So you have to respond the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, lack of people with right perspective and skills. So the biggest obstacle in implementing IMC is the lack of people with the right perspective and skills. I hope this video tutorial on the role of collateral service providers as a participant of integrated marketing communication process was very useful for you. Thank you.